Hi everyone, thank you for joining us today. My name is Zoë Chapman. I'm joined with my colleague Janette Wallace, and we're here today to tell you a little bit about our project that we've been working on, which is to look at digital assets and whether they contribute to students' sense of belonging here in the School of Life, Health and Chemical Sciences. Now, we have been privileged to work with three fantastic student interns. So they are students who either have studied here within LHCS or are currently studying. And they have created two fantastic series of digital assets. First, a series of postcards that have been disseminated to all students monthly. And then we also have a student magazine, which was full of lots of different features, all created and put together by the student interns themselves. The assets are really, really fantastic. We've been so lucky to have those interns working with them, and they've really sort of brought them to life and brought a new dimension to that. Now, we have had really good engagement with nearly 2,000 people viewing our initial magazine, which was just fantastic. We were so pleased with that. And on the back of those engagement hits, we've actually sent out a student survey to find out whether or not students actually felt that those assets did increase or improve or contribute to their own sense of belonging when it comes to being a student themselves. So I will now pass over to Janette, who will talk to you a little bit about those results in more detail.
Thanks, Zoe. So, of the students who responded to our survey, we found that 60% of the students were aware that the digital assets had been created by OU students, and 69% felt this is really important. That students were involved. And if you look at figure 1, you'll see that over 50% of the students felt that the digital assets contributed to their sense of belonging, and almost all of the students who responded felt that the digital assets represent students' interests. We don't really have much to discuss about this because these are the initial findings, but it's obviously it's obvious to us from the information that it's important that students are co-creators of digital assets. And if you would like to have a look at one of our magazines, please scan the QR code at the top of the poster and experience the digital magazine for yourself. Thank you.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.
Bye.